People often ask, can the stock market really make me rich in just 10 years? The short answer is yes, but only if you understand the rules of the game. Most people lose money not because the market failed them, but because they failed to understand how it works. Let's break it down. The stock market isn't a casino, even though it feels like one to beginners. At its core, it's a marketplace where you buy small pieces of businesses. If those businesses grow, your money grows. Simple, but not easy. Here's the math. Historically, the stock market has returned about 7 to 10% annually, adjusted for inflation. That may not sound exciting, but compounding makes it powerful. Let's say you invest $500 a month for 10 years with an average return of 8%. By year 10, you don't just have $60,000. You have nearly $92,000. That's $32,000 extra, earned without lifting a finger. So why doesn't everyone end up rich? Because most people chase quick wins. They jump in and out, panic during crashes, and buy hype stocks. Wealth is built not by timing the market, but by time spent in the market. If you had invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 in 2013 and simply held it for 10 years, by 2023 it would be worth around $32,000. No trading, no stock picking genius. Just patience. So, what's the blueprint for building wealth in a decade? Start early. The earlier you start, the more compounding works for you. Invest consistently. Monthly contributions beat random lump sums. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Index funds or ETFs spread risk across hundreds of companies. Stay calm in crashes. Market drops aren't disasters, they're discounts. In 2008, many panicked and sold. Those who stayed invested saw their portfolios triple by the next decade. Here's the mindset shift. You don't need to predict the next Tesla or Apple. You just need discipline. 10 years in the market, with steady investing and patience, can change your financial future more than chasing the next big stock tip ever will. Will the stock market make you a billionaire in 10 years? Probably not. But can it make you financially secure, debt-free, and on the path to early retirement? Absolutely. So yes, the stock market can make you rich in 10 years. But it won't happen by luck or gambling. It will happen if you treat investing as a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe now, because in upcoming videos, we'll explore the exact strategies wealthy investors use to stay rich during recessions. You don't want to miss it.